Thank you for joining me today. This video is to help out LIGHTWEIGhtgb86. He's got an R70 battery. Those are NiCd. Here's actually the battery in question, I believe. This is a NiCd 7.2 volt, what is this? I think this is a 6-cell battery. These are AA's. You can actually buy this exact battery kit on eBay from FMA Power. But since I'm sure he wants to get it done as easily and quickly as possible without waiting for shipping, I'm going to show you the ways that I have used to fix NiCd batteries in the past. These are much easier to revive than the NIM batteries, which after some time they just form this powder and then they get corroded to the point where there's no saving that fucking cell, if there are any good cells left in the pack. So let's get right into this. So the first thing I've made, this is a tool I use regularly. This is 2 NiCd batteries, which I believe are at fully charged like 16 volts. This is a wired in series battery, and all you have to do is just cut the connectors off of one, and then, both of them, cut the negative or the positive off, and then cut the opposite color on the second battery, and then just wrap the wires together. They're covered in electrical tape right now, and then you can just pull the connector off here with like a large Tamiya tool. You have to get the connector off, obviously. The sparking, which is key to this, is going to fry those crystal dendrites that form on the NiCds after being discharged for too long, or just being really old. It's a good way to refresh a battery. So I would then take the connectors off here, and then I would have the large Tamiya blades underneath, and then I would stick those into their according, not reversing the polarity, I would stick those into their appropriate wire connectors. So just like this, positive to positive, red to red, and then neutral to neutral, black to black. And then that's all you have to do. Just zap it a couple times. It's going to make a spark on contact, and then that's how you know it's working, and that there's a very good chance that that'll revive the battery. Something else I've used to good effect, more so with NIM batteries and NiCds, because that pack trick usually works most of the time. This is a Hi-Tech X4AC Plus, and all I have to do, this is actually easier, but I'm sure not everybody has a high-power custom charger at home, is I would just charge it at like 4 amps very briefly until it heated up, and then that would usually encourage it enough to start charging regularly. And obviously that's easy enough to figure out. I mean, just charge it 4 or 5 amps, whatever you want to do, and that saves some batteries in the past. The third trick, it's just a little bit more unreliable but also worth checking out, is just freezing the battery for like an hour in a couple plastic bags, and then just hitting it on a hard surface or on your hands for some time. So like I would go on and do this for like 2 minutes, and then I've had that fix an R72 battery, and then I didn't have the battery pack at the time, but that's something else you want to try. Go ahead and do it while it's cold so that the crystals are more fragile and brittle. So that's all I've had to do. Fortunately, this R70 battery pack is in fully functional condition. So that's all I have for you guys today. I think I've made a fair video on restoring this. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Hopefully LIGHTWEIGhtgb86 is able to fix his R70 battery. That's what this video is made for. So thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any extra questions or need any extra help, or if none of these fixes work for you.